Hello, my dear students. We have been solving the various problems based on the concentration. We have solved almost four questions that are based on the uh, concentration problems. We have solved all the in-text and exercise question, and we have been solving now the extra question. This is the question number 5 of our solution. Let me read the question for you. 25 gram of benzene is present in 100 gram of carbon tetrachloride. You can see here benzene is 25 gram of and carbon tetrachloride is 100 gram. So benzene is solute and carbon tetrachloride is a solvent. If density of solution is 0.96 gram per ml, that means we are given the density. Calculate the mass by volume percentage of solution, and we are asked to calculate the mass by volume percentage of solution. Here we have uh, we, we have the mass of benzene, and we have the mass of carbon tetrachloride, and we know that mass by volume percentage is nothing but your the where you need the volume of solution, but here we will get the mass of solution. But we can solve this problem using this formula of density. So let us try to solve it. We know that density is equal to mass by volume. Now here mass of solute, that is mass of benzene, is 25 gram, and mass of solvent, that is mass of carbon tetrachloride, is 100 gram. So now mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. That is mass of solute is 25 gram and mass of solvent is 100 gram. So total 125 gram. But we are aware that density of solution is 0.96 gram per ml. That means 1 ml of solution weighs 0.96 gram. So volume of solution is equal to mass of solution divided by density of solution of a solute. So that means mass of solution divided by density of solution. So you can calculate the volume of solution as the mass of solution divided by density of solution. Mass of solution is 125 gram, whereas density of solution is 0.96 gram. And by doing this division, you can calculate the answer as 130.20 ml. So this is what it is, the volume of solution now we have. Now we can calculate the mass by volume percentage. So mass by volume percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. We have mass of solute is 25 gram. Volume of solution we have just calculated, that is 130.20 ml, and multiplied by 100, and by doing this calculation we get 19.20% as the answer. So this is how we can calculate the mass by volume percentage of solution using the formula of density, that is density is equal to mass by volume, and therefore volume is equal to mass by density for a particular solution. Now we have the next question, that is the sixth question for us. Let us read and solve this question. 30 gram of urea is dissolved in 120 ml of solution. Here we are given the mass of solute and volume of solution. The density of solution is 0.98 gram per ml. Here also we are given the density. Calculate the mass by mass percentage of solution. See, here they have given the volume of solution, and they asked us to calculate the mass by mass percentage. So somehow we will have to convert this ml of solution into into gram of solution. We know that the mass of solute, that is the mass of urea, is 30 gram, volume of solution is 120 ml, and density of solution is 0.98 gram per ml. That means 1 ml of solution weighs 0.98 gram. We know that density is equal to mass by volume, therefore mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. So we have written mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. Density is 0.98 gram per ml and volume is 120 ml. Ml get cancelled, and we will get the answer in gram. So when we multiply 0.98 with 120, we get 117.6. So the mass of you can see the mass of solution is 117.6 gram. Now we have the formula mass by mass percentage of a solution, that is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 100. Mass of solute is 30 gram. We are given here mass of solute is equal to 30 gram. Mass of solution we have just calculated using the formula of density. So mass of solution is your 117.6 gram multiplied by 100. Here 30 multiplied by 100, that gives us 3000, and when we divide it with 117.6, we get the answer 25.51%. So this is how we can calculate the mass by mass percentage of solution, that is 25.51%. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.